I'm Mr. Franklin. In this video, we're going to review the basics of increasing and increasing at an increasing rate, decreasing at a decreasing rate. So this was actually first covered back in when we did our how to take notes. So if we have a straight line here, we could pretend it was actually using this data table where we have 1 second and 3 meters, 2 seconds and 6 meters, 3 seconds and 9 meters, and 4 seconds and 12 meters. What we would notice is this line would be straight. And so we would say that the numbers are increasing. So it goes 0, 3, 6, 9, 12. So the numbers are increasing, but they're increasing at the same pattern or the same change. So the change between each one of these is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. So it's increasing at a constant rate. So the amount of change is staying the same, increasing at a constant rate. So now this next one is going to be increasing at an increasing rate. So we have increasing at an increasing rate, 0 seconds, or 1 second, 3 meters, 2 seconds, actually probably be steeper, jumps up to 9, and then we get 3 seconds and it jumps all the way up to 27, and then we get 4 seconds and it jumps all the way up to 81. So we get this really steep, but it's a curve. So it's going to be a curved line and it's going to be really steep. So this is also increasing, but the pattern is not constant. The pattern is also increasing. So we would say this one is increasing at an increasing rate. When we're doing these, we're going to look at what's happening. Is it increasing or decreasing? And then how is the increase or decreasing changing? Is it increasing at an even rate? Is it increasing at an increasing rate? We can also have some other options as well. We can have increasing at a decreasing rate. So it's actually the numbers, the patterns would actually slow down. Instead of getting bigger and bigger and bigger, we might have 0, 3, 5, 6, 6.5, and you could see that that would actually generate something like this, where the pattern is at the change between each step is decreasing. So this would be increasing at a decreasing rate, okay? Because the change between each one is getting smaller. The next option would be decreasing. So there's a couple ways to show decreasing. We could have decreasing like this. We can also have a negative decrease like that, but it's decreasing with a straight line. So decreasing at a constant rate. It can be decreasing at a increasing rate. So it's getting faster and faster. This would be like graphing an object that's dropped, that's falling. It's going to get faster and faster and faster as it falls through the sky. Okay. Then we can also have decreasing, where it starts out falling fast, but then it starts to slow down. So we have decreasing at a decreasing rate. So just remember, the first one is easy. Is it increasing or decreasing? Do the numbers get bigger or do they get smaller? Do these numbers get bigger or smaller? And then you got to look at the change. How do they change from step to step? If the interval gets bigger, then they're increasing rate. They're increasing at an increasing rate. If the interval gets smaller, then it's a decreasing rate. And if the interval remains constant, then there's constant rate. So that's a brief review over how to interpret data and graphs as far as how they're changing and what rate they're changing at. So thank you.